So in the last class, if you guys remember, what do you remember? What did we do in the last class? So Aditri and Adya will not know because they were not there. Yeah, what did we do?
Distributive property.
Distributive property. Anahita is also here. Yes, Om, tell me what did we do?
We did the distributive property and sort of factoring as well.
Okay. So factoring we did not do because factoring would be reverse of distributive property. What we did was we had factors, we broke them open to get the simplest form of all the equations, okay, or expressions. So Suchit, Adya, Manas, Sidhu and Kian. Do you guys remember what we did? Adya will not know. Sorry about that. But question to Adya and Aditri. Do you guys know what is distributive property?
Yeah.
Give me a story.
Yeah.
Give me a story.
What?
Give me a story, meaning how do you describe it? Let's say if you assume that I'm a third grader and you are trying to explain that to me, how would you explain that to me?
It's like when you take two numbers and you like one number and you distribute it between two numbers. Like two numbers could be like in parentheses, and then you take the number that those two are getting multiplied by, and then you multiply it with one number and the other number in the parentheses, and then you add it.
Wonderful. So no, see, and you guys will see what is the reason why I asked you guys to narrate that for me. Because what Aditri did just now, I feel that's a better way of explaining it. Because I probably used a little cryptic method of doing it. So in today's class also we are going to double click on the same distributive property, practice few more problems, interesting, difficult, easy problems, and make ourselves tired of this concept and ensure that after this class we have nothing open-ended. Yeah? Alright, so Hamisha is also here. Come on. And let me know when you guys feel cold. I will close the door. I'm just waiting for you to mark it. Okay. Alright, so coming back, so let me see if somebody has joined silently whom I did not even greet, and that is Jaganya, always. She doesn't talk much, but she has joined. Welcome to her. Alright, so I hope everybody can hear me okay? Yeah? So again today we are going to double click on distributive property. Okay? And we'll practice few more problems. Kian, you want to take a break? Come back. Yep, go ahead. Manas, are you with me? I know in the last class you still had some open questions, so that's why I'm glued to this topic till I see everybody in the class is comfortable, okay? So before I start, I'll give you guys one quick story, okay? One experience. In the last class, before you guys joined, I had a class with the younger kids. And I had taught them something in the previous class, asked them to solve few problems, and they said, no, we don't know this formula. Wherein I had explained the formula. My obvious response to them was that the only reason for me to make the video of the class is to ensure that whatever we do in the class, that is recorded and you guys can look back at what we did in the class and revise. Yeah.
Do you have a pencil? I think I forgot one.
You can open the drawer, the second one from the top, and find something. So, same thing I'll repeat here also for you guys. Whenever I'm making the video of the class, there is no plan of me becoming a branded YouTuber. Okay? My YouTube videos are not even looked at by anybody else apart from my own kids. That is you guys. Okay? After the class, spend those 15-20 minutes, skip the part of the video where I'm preaching, only the mathematical things, you should kind of revise, make a note of it for yourself in your own way. So that way you can recollect what we did in the class, okay? Alright, so that was the teaching part. Now, going back to what Aditri explained just now, and I'm kind of leaning towards that approach. When I asked what is the understanding of distributive property, what she's saying is, when you have to multiply one number with another number, and you break either number to smaller pieces, then you can multiply that number with the other two pieces of the number which are inside the parentheses. Right? I think that's what you said. So, if I put Alitri's word in an expression here, what she's saying is, if you have to multiply, let's say 15 with 45, what you can do is, you will say, okay, 50, this is too big a number. I can multiply, I can break this 45 into two small pieces, 30 plus 15, and then the answer of this will be equal to this into this plus this into this. So basically what we are doing is, we had something, we split that into two pieces, and then we are distributing it to break the brackets open. That is the whole premise of distributive property. Everybody agree with that? Manas, does it make sense to you? Yeah, Asita. So Asita, just because you joined now, we are talking about distributive property, okay? So we did that in the last class, and we are going to do a lot more practice around it in the class today. And we'll see what is reverse of distributive property also if time permits. Yeah? That's okay. Don't worry about it. My question to you was only that, are you with me? Now, so when we were talking about this, we have to multiply this with this. I can break this into smaller pieces or easier pieces. I can even say 45 equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. And I have to deal with easier calculations, right? So then that case will become 15 into 10 plus 15 into 10 plus 15 into this 10, 15 into this 10 into 15 into 5. All this will make our life easier. This will be 150 plus this will be 150 again. This will also be 150. This will also be 150 plus 50 into 5, which is 75. And you can add these numbers to get whatever you want to get. This is with the numbers. Now the thing is the distributive property limited to numbers only? No. It has no limits. Meaning you can use distributive property for dealing with numbers as well as dealing with regular expressions. Now, so in the last class, what we saw was, if we have to multiply, let's say, x with x squared plus 5x plus 20, it works the same way. I can multiply x with x squared, then multiply x with 5x, then multiply with x with 20 and add them all together. That's what, because I have plus signs here. So as long as we are breaking it step by step, we would be fine. Another thing that we saw was that if I had to multiply, let's say, x plus 5 with x plus 7, we can look at fixing one thing, okay? So it's like this. Let's say if I have to write on the board, what I'm doing, I'm fixing the board. If my board is moving, then I cannot write, right? So one thing is fixed always. So if I have to multiply this with this, what I'm trying to do is, let's fix this thing. Meaning this thing is getting multiplied with the whole thing. Meaning this part is getting multiplied with this, then this part is getting multiplied with this. So I'm fixing one part. I cannot keep both the parts moving to take it forward. Yes, Sidhu.
So I don't get it. So were you saying that, is that 7? Where'd you get the 7 from?
No, I'm just saying that if I have to multiply x plus 5 with x plus 7.
Oh, okay. I thought that was part of like the accomplishment, so I was like, wait, just get the 7. So I was confused. Yeah.
Okay. So what I was saying was, if you have to multiply like this, and you see that you have x plus 7 and you are confused which one to multiply with whom, always fix up one thing. Fix this one or fix this one. When you fix this one, then you'll say, okay, I'll multiply x with the whole thing, then I'll multiply plus 7 with the whole thing. And why I'm talking about fixing this is because tomorrow if I say multiply this with x plus 8 also, you will say, now how do I start? Then you will not fix one thing, you will say I'll fix two things. Fix these two things. Then say multiply x with the whole thing, then multiply 5 with the whole thing. Okay? That's what I mean by fixing it. If you, again, this is not going to come to you guys in near future. Don't worry about it. I'm not trying to scare you guys. But what I'm saying is, if you have to multiply all these 4, you'll say, okay, let me fix 3 of the things. I'll come to the other bit, okay? I'm just trying to give a very concrete view. You will say, I'll pick any 3, I'll fix them all. Then multiply this with the whole thing, then multiply this with the whole thing. You have the 3. Go ahead.
When it says fixing, does it mean that you pick one of the parentheses thing and then multiply each one by everything else?
Maybe I'm not choosing the right words here. Let me show it what I mean by fixing it, okay? Yeah? So let's take an example here. Let's look at 2 things simultaneously so that we can relate to it, okay? Adya, okay beta, everybody's stressed out why this guy is fixing something. Okay, let's look at it. If I'm talking about x plus 3 into x plus 9, okay? Versus second situation where I'm trying to do x minus 2 into x plus 7 into x plus 8, let's say. Okay? When I'm trying to multiply this one, this looks easier. We'll say that, okay, let's use this as one element, which will get multiplied by this first, and then it will get multiplied by this. That means it will become x times x plus 9, and then plus 3 times x plus 9. Yeah? Naita, looks okay so far? Avisha, Ivan, everybody okay? Yeah, yes. Yeah, go ahead, Aditri.
So technically when it means fixing, it means that you're distributing the x plus 3 between x plus 5.
No, so basically I'm saying we have to multiply x plus 3 with this part, right? This is not one thing to multiply with, it's mix of 2. So I'm saying, okay, fine. I will treat this as one element, which will get multiplied by this first, and then will get multiplied by this. So same thing, this is one element getting multiplied with x, and then getting multiplied by 3. Yeah? Now this becomes a little complicated here. When I'm multiplying this, from where do I start? That is where the confusion is. So I'm saying I will treat these 2 parentheses together as one element, as one thing, as one number, whatever you call it. And then multiply this whole thing with, first I'll multiply this with x. This whole thing I am treating as 1. Multiplying that with x, and then multiplying that with minus 2. Yeah. So basically, here in this kind of scenario, it was very difficult to figure out from where to start. So this was easy. That okay, this is one thing. Then I'm multiplying with x, then multiplying with 3. Here it was looking complicated. We said, okay, fine. Let's put these 2 things together. Treat them as one. if you want, if you get creative and if you want to call this, let's say pineapple, you call this pineapple. Okay, let me show you with a pineapple itself. So I'm saying this whole thing is x plus 7 to x plus 8. I am calling this pineapple. Okay, so this whole thing is pineapple. I don't know what is pineapple right now. So here it will be, when I break it using distributive property, it will become x times pineapple minus 2 times pineapple. Yeah. So once, are you wanting to do chat with me, or you're listening to what I'm doing right now? I'm not a big fan of chat or emojis. So if you are having a doubt, unmute yourself and ask me questions. I will not be able to entertain any chat, okay? I'm not here chatting with anybody right now. Yes, I do.
So the x pineapple is the x minus 2 word, and the minus 2 pineapple is
The whole thing.
those ones, right?
Yeah? We will figure out what is a pineapple now. Aditri, is it? Find out the solution for that, Manas. You have to either come to the class or you have to be able to talk to me. I will not be able to chat with you, that's my problem. Okay? Because if I'm chatting, if I'm staring at the chat window, I'm not doing my job.
So sir,
Yeah.
is that x pineapple is the x minus 2 part, right?
Yeah, x minus 2, whatever we had, right? This whole thing was looking complicated, so we gave it a name. Whatever we don't know, we give it a name. I give it a name pineapple. You can choose to give
Minus 2 pineapple is that the other.
the whole thing. This is pineapple for me, right? So x times the pineapple minus 2 times the pineapple. That's how I'm breaking it down. Find another laptop, Manas. Another device. Anyways, here. Aditri, is it making sense now? The pineapple story is okay?
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
the pineapple is x plus 7,
Into x plus 8.
x plus 8
Mm-hmm.
is pineapple, and then you have to do x times pineapple minus 2 times pineapple.
Yeah.
Is
So-
that the answer?
Yeah. So now, pineapple is fine. What we are trying to do is, what is pineapple for us? So let's figure it out. Pineapple, I forced you guys to believe that pineapple is equal to x plus 7 into x plus 8. Let's find out how much it is.
Can we try it by ourselves?
I'm sorry?
Can we try it by ourselves?
Yeah. Yeah, try do it.
X squared plus 56.
No.
Oh.
No, don't trash. So anyways, I'm doing it just so that we can relate to this one, and you guys can do it in parallel also. So I'll multiply this with the whole thing, then multiply this with the whole thing. So x into x plus 8 plus 7 into x plus 8. This becomes x squared plus 8x plus 7x plus 56. So we found the value for pineapple, which is x squared plus 8 plus 7, 15x plus 56. Now, what is that? See, look at this. X plus 7 to x plus 8. So x plus 8 is getting multiplied by first x, then it's getting multiplied by 7.
No, I thought we were doing x times x plus 7, x plus 8.
No, so right now we are, see, I forced you guys to believe that this whole thing is a pineapple. We are trying to find out what is pineapple for us first, which is x plus 7 to x plus 8. This whole thing I gave a name pineapple. No, and don't say yes if you are not convinced. I am going to beat this to death. Don't worry about it. We had to multiply this whole thing with this and this, right? It was looking complicated. I said, okay, fine, let's isolate this problem. We gave it a name pineapple. You can choose to give it a name watermelon also, or apple, or even lemon, avocado, whatever you like.
Wait, can we solve it instead of like making it shorter? Can we just solve it like that?
Is it possible to do it so?
I'm getting something.
Try doing it. And again, you can do that outside the class also, okay? because in the class, otherwise you'll be distracted. I'm just giving one method, and if you find something more interesting, I would love to see that. Trust me. Yeah. So tell me, I want to hear you out.
No, I was just looking at the problem.
Is it making sense to everybody or not making sense?
It's making sense.
Making sense? Yes or 3?
No, that was by accident.
Okay. So here, for now, let's go with the flow of the story, and I'm certainly looking forward to hear something more interesting from you. Okay? If you guys find out some better technique, it's never too late for me to learn. Okay? So I said, okay, to simplify this job, I'm giving it a name pineapple. Tomorrow I might give it a name pumpkin also. But for now it's pineapple. So this is x times the pineapple minus 2 times the pineapple. My x times the pineapple minus 2 times the pineapple. Now we are trying to find out what is pineapple. My pineapple is x plus 7 into x plus 8. X plus 7 into x plus 8. That means x into this whole thing plus 7 into the whole thing. Again, distributive property. This thing became x into x is x squared, x into 8x, 8 is 8x, 7 into x is 7x, 7 to 8 is 56. So, two like terms, 8x and 7x. This x is potato here. So, 8 potatoes plus 7 potatoes becomes 15 potatoes. Okay? Now, we know the value of pineapple. So, x times the pineapple. Pineapple is x squared plus 15x plus 56. Again, we know the value of the pineapple. That is 2 times the pineapple, which is x squared plus 15x plus 56. Yes, I agree.
How did you get x squared?
What is that, Beta?
How did you get x up to power 2?
X into x is x squared. So, if I am doing 2 into 2, I can write that in a short form, 2 is squared. If I do 4 into 4, that is 4 is squared. X into x will also give me x squared. So, when I am breaking this bracket open, x into x gives me x squared, x into 8 gives me 8x. 7 to 8, x gives me 7x, 7 to 8 gives me 56.
Oh, then why is there a thing under x pineapple on the other side of the door? Does it say minus 2x squared?
Because my pineapple, which is this part, has become this value, x squared plus 15x plus 56. So whenever I have pineapple, I am plugging in that value now. So x times the pineapple, here when you broke this one, x times this whole pineapple minus 2 times this pineapple. X times the pineapple, 2 times the pineapple.
No, but you know, oh
No, go ahead, I wrote, yeah.
Why did we do plus 7? I don't get it.
Here, forget about everything here. You have come to figure out what is pineapple. So you are doing x plus 7 into x plus 8. Because that is what you are given a name pineapple. X plus 7 into x plus 8. How will you get it? You will multiply this whole thing with this, then multiply x with the whole thing. X with this plus x, 7 with this. That is your distributive property, isn't it? You guys are missing something. If I am doing this, what will I do? X times this plus 2 times this, isn't it? No, don't get forced to believe it. It takes few push sometimes to go through this. Avisha,
Huh?
tell
I
me,
got it.
is it making sense? Making sense? Okay. Vivam, Marco, Anahita, Suchit. Suchit has been quiet, but I'm assuming that you guys are following me so far. Okay. So I'm repeating my whole story one more time. Not by doing calculation, but by showing you what I'm doing. We have to multiply these three parentheses, the value in the three parentheses. Okay. Multiplying something like this is much easier. You can break it very easily. This into this plus this into this. When you had a little interesting problem like this, you said, okay, fine. I will treat this as one piece. That means I will multiply x with this whole piece and then multiply minus 1 with this whole piece. Okay? And then you know how to break the brackets. Life became a little more interesting. We had to multiply 3 brackets together. Yeah? Let me complete my chain of thoughts, Sidhu, and then I'll come to you, okay?
No, I was going to ask to go to the back.
100%.
Yeah. No, I did the thing, but I didn't think you saw it, so.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. So, when life becomes more interesting, I have 3 parentheses. I'm confused. I'm struggling with myself. I don't know from where to start. So, in an attempt to fix this problem, I'm fixing my problem statement. I'm saying, okay, fine. I can deal with 2 brackets. 3 brackets I cannot. So, I will, instead of treating them as 3 brackets, I will treat them as 2 brackets only. So, I will treat this as one piece. I am treating this as one entity, one object, one closed box that I don't want to worry about right now. Okay? So I close this box. I'm saying I close this box and whatever I have inside the box, I'm giving it a name pineapple. Aditri, Adya, Akshita, Om, Anaita, Akshita. Everybody making sense so far? So whatever is becoming difficult to digest, we are trying to put them in a magical box and giving it a name. Okay? These 2 things we put in the box and give it a name. It's a pineapple. You can give it any other name that you like. And I'm sure you guys will like the name this, right? Will not give that name. That will be confusing. Okay? 6 and 7 is not the name I'm giving here. Yeah. So we will give it a name. I gave a name pineapple, so let's stick to that. And by doing that, if you imagine this whole thing is pineapple, I am writing in this corner, okay? X plus 7 into x plus 8 is equal to pineapple. That's the name we have given. Now, I will make it look easy for us. This whole thing is pineapple. Yeah? So this is pineapple now. So if I have to break this bracket open using distributive property, what will that be? Pineapple times x into pineapple times minus 2. That's what I've written here. Yeah? Is it making sense? Kian. So, something that was looking very complicated, we made it look sweet. Yes, I do.
If you flip the signs, like make the addition of minus and then the other addition minus, can't they cancel out just like the down?
It will. But right now, why we are worried about it?
Yeah, no, I was just asking.
Yeah, it will. But for now, something that was looking very complicated, we made it look sweet and fruity. Yeah? Yeah? So now you can break this bracket. Pineapple times x into pineapple times minus 2. And this is where okay, you have done the distributive property and you are thinking, is it the end of it or is there life beyond this?
You solved it.
You solved it. So you have to find out, this pineapple is not fitting in well here, okay? It's not a juice center where you'll use, okay, 2 pineapple, 5 pineapple, $20. No. You have to go beyond this. So Marco, don't color the table so much so. Every day kids, when they come to the class, they say, oh, what is there on the table? Color your notebook. That's what your parents would want to see. Alright, so here, now we are trying to decode what is a pineapple. First we encapsulated it, now we are trying to solve it. So what is pineapple? My pineapple is x plus 7 to x plus 8. How much would be the value of that if I break it? So that will be, let's fix this one and multiply with everything. So x times the whole thing plus 8 times the whole thing. That is my pineapple, correct?
Isn't it 7?
I fix this one. I mean, you can choose, okay? You can say fix this one and multiply the whole thing, or you can fix this thing, multiply
Would it
everything.
still give us the same answer?
Yeah, it will. It's like 2 into 4 versus 4 into 2.
Oh,
Yeah?
I know the answer.
Yeah, you know the answer.
I think.
So that's okay. I mean, I'm probably not going to remember the answer. I'm just showing you guys how this pineapple thing or pineapple mystery can be solved. Yeah? So here, pineapple is coming as x into x. That is x into x. Let me write in a very simple way. Plus x into 7. This is done. Now coming here. Plus 8 into x. Then 8 into 7. Plus 8 into 7. 8 into x. Plus 8 into 7. X into x will become x squared. X into 7 will become 7x. 8 into x will become 8x. Plus 8 into 7 will become 56. So this is x squared, 7x and 8x. We can add them, right? That will become 15x. If this is avocado, 7 avocado plus 8 avocado is 15 avocado, right? And then 56. So my pineapple has a value now. I can replace this pineapple with the value for the pineapple that we got. So x times x squared plus 15x plus 56. This is one pineapple here. And then I have minus 2 times the pineapple again, which is x squared plus 15x plus 56. Okay? So pineapple is decoded now. The mystery of pineapple is solved. Right? Yeah.
I solved it, I think.
You solved it? Okay. So we'll match the answers also, right? I mean, so here, now breaking this bracket open is very easy. X into x squared plus x into 15x plus x into 56 minus 2 into x squared. Minus into plus will give me a minus again. Opposite signs will give you minus always. Minus 2 into 15 x minus 2 into 56. Okay? So this is x into x squared is how much?
I don't know if it's right.
X into x squared is how much?
X cubed.
X to the power 3.
X cubed.
Plus x into 15x. So 15 will remain 15. X and x will get multiplied and become x squared again.
Oh, okay.
Plus 56x minus 2x squared. Minus 2 into 15 is minus 30x. And then minus 2 into 56 is minus 112.
Yeah, I didn't get that.
Hmm?
I didn't get that.
Meaning, you got how I'm doing it, that part you got, right?
Yeah, how? Yeah.
Answers not matching is perfectly fine with that, okay? What is important is how you are putting your thoughts for solving the problem, okay? That should be our focus. Now, yes, Mr. Manas.
Wait, how did?
If you tell me I'm confused, then I'm more confused. Tell me what the question is. Yes, please, go ahead. That's an easy question. Okay. Aditri, Adya, Sidhu, Yaganya. Then Ishita. Are you guys clear? Kian?
Yeah.
All clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Adya, go ahead, brother.
That's my answer.
Okay. Now, here, what we are trying to do we have some light terms? We don't need so many terms here. Here I have x cube. There is no other x cube. Okay, we will not touch that. So that will remain x cube. I have 15 of x square and minus 2 of x square.
13x squared.
So that will be
Minus.
plus, because I have a plus of 15 and minus of 2.
Oh, yeah.
So that will be 13 of x square. Then I have 56 of x positive and minus 30 of x. So 56 minus 30. That will be 26 x. Yeah?
Oh, 26. Yeah,
Yeah.
you said 36.
Then I have minus 112. And this is not a golden answer. It is not about the answer. What I am saying is, distributive property works in a very simple way where you can package things and do it one by one. Like we said, if I have to multiply 15 with 600, you can say this 600 is, I can break into 500 plus 100, and then everything gets multiplied with 15 one by one. Same way, here when we were dealing with multiple elements to multiply with, we combined them and created a package to be able to solve things easily. I know it was a little interesting and complicated looking problem, but what I am trying to convey here to you all is, how do you look at things like an object? How do you combine things to make them like a package, and then you deal with it? And when you come to a point when you want to decode it, you explode it and then go ahead with this, right? If you have to multiply x minus 2 into x plus 7 plus into x plus 8, it was looking challenging to begin with. We were not knowing from where to start. So that is why we bundled this together and we said, yeah, give it a name. I don't know how many of you like fruits. I like fruits a lot. That's why I keep giving example of fruits. But if you like something else, you can give it a name of a toy also, if that works for you. Okay? Now, whatever blabbering I was doing this long, that will not hold any water unless I make you guys solve some problems. Unless you guys get your hands dirty with some problems, you will not get the confidence. I want you guys to use distributive property to multiply these two. Okay? This is one problem. And the second problem is, I want you guys, this is what problem number 1. This is problem number 2, where I want you guys to solve x squared x plus 4y plus 3z multiplied by 2x minus y plus 5z. Go for it. And even if I am behaving as if this is a very difficult problem, trust me, this relates to the same simple concept. Just apply your understanding of the concept that we have talked about so far, and you should be able to do it very, very, very easily. Okay? Ishita, are you doing it, beta? Ishita has been very quiet. Yaganya, everybody is trying, right? Kids who might, yeah, okay. Go for it.
This is hard.
There's nothing hard. See, I will tell you. Coconut is also very hard.
Yeah.
If you drill a small hole, the water that comes inside of it is very sweet. So you have to put that effort of drilling the hole on the coconut. Okay?
Okay.
It'll look very hard from outside. Yes, Sidhu.
X times x squared is x cubed, right?
X times x squared is x cubed.
Is it?
It is. So, okay, let me give you guys one clue. We will talk about exponents sometime later. But look at this. X times x squared. How your brain will process this. Now, x is nothing but x. X squared you can write as x into x into x. 3 times. So, when you wrote x into x, it became x to the power 2. When you are writing x 3 times, you are just using a shorthand representation of that is x to the power 3. If you are multiplying x 10 times, you will write this as x to the power 10. So, x into x squared will be x cubed. My long explanation for that is, break it down and then you will be able to relate. Yeah?
Yeah. I had a break it. I kind of forgot for a second.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, brother.
I think I have the answer for the first one.
Okay.
4x4.
Say it one more time.
Wait, I don't know how to say that properly. Like x with the 4 on the top.
X to the power 4.
Yeah, x to the power 4 plus 11x squared plus 32x
Okay.
plus 105.
Okay.
I don't know if that's right or not.
Is that okay? Yeah. Tell me what it is.
I got the answer. I got.
Okay, one quick request to everybody. If you have finished both of them, then raise your hand because you got both of them. Okay. Okay. So,
Wait, answer to so it's where it says x squared for whatever, like 11x 2 plus 32x plus 105. Is that the answer to number 1?
I don't know that. I have not solved it. I just noted down whatever Havisha told me, okay? So I have not verified it. I would not be able to guarantee it either unless I see it myself. Yep. What did you get?
For number 1, I got x to the power of 3 plus 4x squared plus 15x plus 7x squared plus 28x squared.
Slow. I'm not that fast. Slow. X cubed plus 4x squared plus
15x plus 7x squared
Okay.
plus 28x squared
Okay.
plus 105.
Why did you not take care of the like terms? Yes, 28x
Yeah.
squared, 4x squared, 7x squared.
That's how I got the short names.
Oh,
Yeah. I mean, you want to write this much, right? You want to put the similar things together. How about the second one? I'll come to you, Sidhu.
second one, without collecting like terms, I found 2x squared minus xy plus
What?
y. Okay. Wait, 2x squared minus xy plus 5xz plus 8xy
Okay.
minus 4y squared
Okay.
plus 20yz plus 6xz minus 3y plus 15z squared.
Okay.
So I kind of messed up. On the first one, I said x4. It's actually x cubed. I just realized that I accidentally wrote 3 instead of 2.
Okay.
Oops.
Sidhu, what did you get?
2.
I think I'm the first one, sir.
Finish both of them. Kian, what did you get? You got both of them?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For the first one, after simplifying, I got 119 plus 6x cubed. And for my second one, I got 3x plus 5y plus 84.
Okay. So I'm not writing down the answers now because I'm kind of being lazy now. And if I write too many answers, that will lead to more confusion. Right now, Manas was asking me, right, when I written one question, one answer, he said, is this the answer? Now Manas himself is struggling to figure out which one to rely on. Okay, yes, Sidhu, what did you get?
I just wanted to say I got the
This one?
Yeah, going to be 3
X to the power 3 plus 11x square plus 32x plus 105.
yes.
Okay. How about the second one?
I'm almost done.
Okay. I'm going to give you guys another 2 minutes, okay? Not more than that. Okay. Yes, Anahita, go ahead, brother. What did you get?
I found the first one, but I just haven't the second one yet, so let's work on it.
Okay, so finish it, let me know. Right now what I'm doing is I'm writing down the questions. I'm doing my preparation for my dirty job. Okay? I'm creating real estate for myself.
We have a question.
Yes, Buddha.
How do you do minus y times 4 positive y?
Okay.
Like minus y and that thing.
Minus y times 4y. Right?
Y, yeah.
So see, you will 4 is a number, y is an alphabet. Y into y will become y square. And there is a 4. So 4y square. What about the sign? You have opposite signs. Plus sign and minus sign. Whenever you have different signs, they will result to only minus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Om has been very quiet today. What's cooking, better? Yeah.
After simplifying everything, I got 2x squared minus 4y squared minus plus 9xy plus 11xz minus 3y plus 15z squared.
Okay. Everybody keep a note of your answers. And in 1 minute, I will force everybody to stop and see the magic that I am doing on the board. Okay. I will transform into a magician in a minute.
Make sure I write that down. I think you read that part.
So that is only for me to create some space. We had much bigger font. I just moved it here so that I don't lose track of it.
Okay.
Yeah, Naita. Naita, mute yourself.
Bro, I have a clear answer for the first one, but for the second one, there's a little bit of confusion, but I still have it.
Okay. So I would request everybody to keep their answers ready. And once I finish it, yes, go ahead.
I have the answer to the second one.
Okay, tell me what is that.
2x squared plus 116x plus 7xy plus 172y plus 1664.
My God. I am overwhelmed by so many answers. Yes, Anahita. You are talking to the mute button. How would I listen to you?
For the first one, I got x to the power of 3 plus 4x plus 105, and for the second one, I got 3y plus 1664, but I don't know what to do for the other.
Okay. So now my request to everybody. Yes, Aditri. You got the answers ready?
For the first one, I got x to the power of 3 plus 57x plus 7x times the power of 2 plus 399.
Okay. Sidhu. See, the good thing here is I would not even remember who said what. And I don't want to. Because
For the second
uh-huh.
question, I got 2x squared plus 7xy plus 152y plus 160x plus 2704.
My God. You guys are, I can guarantee you guys are 5 times more intelligent than me for sure. That is my guarantee to you all. So I will do it with my limited level of intelligence in a very simple way. Let's deal with it. So now I'm not going to let anybody share the answer. I would want you guys to verify your answer with what I'm doing, and please stop me if you see me making mistake. Okay? So everybody, okay? The kids who have been very quiet, I'm not calling out the names, but I want everybody to pay attention to it, okay? Yeah? Alright. So here, I'm talking about this problem. X squared plus 4x plus 15 times x plus 7. So, this is a small, this bracket has two numbers only. So I can treat this as a base, multiply x with the whole thing, then multiply 7 with the whole thing. That's what I'm trying to do. I can always choose that, okay, x squared with the whole thing, 4x with the whole thing, 15 with the whole thing. But I'm being a little lazy right now. I would go this way. So first x with the whole part, whole and part together, no. X with this piece plus 7 with this whole piece. X squared plus 4x plus 15. Look at this. X times this plus 7 times this. That's what you're seeing here. Now, let's break this bracket open slowly. X into x squared. X into x squared will give you, okay, I will talk about that later. Plus x into 4x. X into 4x. Plus x into 15, which is 15x. Now I'm coming to this bracket. 7 into x squared. 7 into 4x. Plus 7 into 4x. 7 plus 7 into 15. That is all about it. Now look at this. X into x squared. That will become x to the power 3. Plus 4x into x. So x, 4 remains 4. X into x becomes x squared. Plus 15x. Plus 7x squared. Plus 7 into 4, 28x. Plus 7 into 15, 105. Okay? Marco, are you with me? Yeah, brother? Huh? I will insist everybody in the class to watch the video of the class to the greatest detail, because there will be things that I am rushing through the calculation, and if there's something that is not simple, easy, watch the video of the class. Aditri, you are saying something, brother?
Yes. It says 7 times 4x.
7 times 4x.
Shouldn't it be 747 instead of 42?
Say it one more time.
Shouldn't it be 7 times 42?
No, it will be 7 times 4x. X is x, alphabet. I cannot multiply x with a number. X will remain x. I can only multiply the number with a number. That is how I got 28. Yeah?
But where did the x come from?
Because I am multiplying 7. See, this whole thing I fixed. Multiply x with this thing, then 7 with the whole thing. So x, when I am multiplying with this whole thing, 7 I am multiplying with the whole thing. So when I am breaking this bracket open, x into x squared is what you see here. X into 4x is what you see here. X into 15 is what you see here. Then I am coming to this bracket. 7 into x squared, that is what you see here. 7 into 4x, that is what you see here. 7 to 15 is that what you see here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Make sense, better?
Yeah.
Okay. Sidhu, any doubt in between?
Did you simplify all of it?
Not yet. I'm halfway through.
Because I thought you said that's what you were.
No. So that is it, meaning all the calculus is done. Now we are doing the dirty job of cleanup. Meaning we will put the like terms together, because seeing so many terms in an equation is not very easy to digest. X cube. Do I have anything with the X cube? No. It remains alone. So this guy is done. Okay. Now coming to X square. Do I have any other term with X square? Yeah, I have this one and this one. So 4x squared, 7x squared. If x squared is banana, 4 bananas plus 7 bananas. That will be 11 bananas. My banana is x squared. These two are also done. Then 15x, I have 28x. If this is lemon, 15 lemon here and 28 lemon here. That will add up to become 43 lemon. Done. Then we are left with a number. This guy is very lonely since beginning. Nobody is looking at
Wait,
him.
is it 32? I thought I got it right. Okay.
These two, 28 plus 15, 43?
Isn't it 32?
No, 15.
Oh, what?
Yeah?
I thought that was it. The x to the power of 3. The third equal sign. Yeah.
This will remain alone. This guy and this guy are together.
Okay.
Add them together.
Oh.
This guy and this guy are like terms. Will add up to become 43x. This is alone. So this is, if anybody is interested in verifying the answers, this is the answer. You might want to check yours and see if I missed something or you overlooked something.
I did it by.
Does it sound easy to digest so far?
Yeah.
I see my biggest problem in life is lack of intelligence. So I will do it the simple way only. Yeah. No mind math. I don't jump steps because I know that I will confuse myself more than anybody else if I skip from here to here. Okay. So you will see all my solution going step by step like a story. Yes, I do.
What's the other way? Like you said you didn't finish it. Is there a hard way?
I don't know. I have not learned hard way yet. Yeah. I mean, see, I'm not saying, hard way as in people will probably jump steps, do a lot of mental math and then skip a step to save time, but I don't prescribe that. Yes, neither.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I understand the concept clearly now. Just curious, what's the name of this?
This is called distributive property. That is
No,
top.
the whole thing. It can't be. This whole thing can't be just distributive property.
We are applying distributive property to solve or multiply expressions. Yeah.
But it's so complicated. Normal distributive property is pretty easy.
So you guys are learning something that you will come across maybe 2 years later
8th grade.
or 9th grade. I am saying that if I have a distributive property, it works the same way regardless of number of variables you are dealing with, number of terms you have in the expression. Yeah. Alright. So see, here the course structure is such that if you talk about learning one concept today, multiplying 1 digit, they will teach you till 2nd grade. Multiplying 2 digits, they will teach you in 3rd grade. Multiplying 3 digits, they will teach you in 5th grade. That is not how it is. I am saying you learn 1 digit and more than 1 digit and then you relate. Class is not over yet. We have not solved the second problem yet. So, I will go quick. So, we were trying to do x plus 4y plus 3z multiplied by 2x minus y plus 5z. And same thing, I will fix this thing, multiply with each and every term. So, this will be x times 2x minus y plus 5z plus 4y times the whole thing.
That wasn't a 2.
Which one? No, it was z.
I thought that was a 2.
It was z. It's okay. See, answer doesn't matter. What I'm saying is just watch the steps. And I'm not doing anything fancy today, okay? You can fix your numbers and you should be able to still deal with it, okay? So, what I did, I fixed this whole thing, multiplied with each and every term. That's what I'm doing here. Now look at this. x into 2x, that will be 2x square. I'll go little fast this time. X into minus y. I have minus sign, so plus into minus will give me a minus, x into y will give me xy. X into 5z will be, I have plus sign here, so this is plus x into z, 5xz. This is that. I am coming here, 4y into 2x, numbers multiplied together, 4 into 2 is 8xy. 4y into minus y, plus sign, minus sign, gives me a minus sign, 4y square. 4y into 5z, 4 into 5 is 20, y into z, yz. Coming here, 3z into 2x, 3 into 2 is 6, z into x is xz. 3z into minus y, so plus into minus gives me a minus sign, 3 into nothing, 3 into 1 is 3, yz. And then 3z into 5z, so this becomes 3 into 5, 15, z square. Now look at this, you have something common here. This is 2x square, xy minus and 8xy positive. So this becomes plus 7xy. These two are done. Now xg, do you have a common xg? You have xg here, you have xg here. 5xg plus 6xg will give you 11xg. So this one is also done. This is already done. Minus 4y square will remain 4y square. There is nobody matching with this guy. Then you have 20yz and minus 3yz. So plus 20 minus 3 is plus 17yz. So this one is also done. Plus 15z square. That's it. Manas is too late to raise the hand. No, so again, jokes apart. You see, my punchline has changed. Earlier I used to say, oh, I don't care about the answer, I'm a very unintelligent person, what all that. Now my punchline has changed to, I love dirty hands. What it means is, I want you guys to practice whatever we learn in the class. More you practice, more you learn. There's no other way. Alright? Was this clear to everybody? I know Martha has to watch the video 3 times and practice 15 problems. That's the only way you will start learning it. Okay?
It is kind of confusing.
It will be confusing without practice. My guarantee.
Can you send me some questions that I can try?
I will send the assignment bit, okay? I would certainly send assignment for the week. But before anybody dares to touch the assignment, my recommendation would be watch the video of the class, please. That's the only way. Otherwise, you will find it not interesting. Okay? Watch the video, build your concept, make your notes, and then go thrashing the assignment. That should be your approach. Yeah? Ishita not even said single word today, but I'm hoping better you were able to follow me. Yeah? Yep. Adya, Aditri. Okay, alright guys. I took 5 minutes of your time more. So I will let you guys go, enjoy the rest of the evening and be ready to deal with the assignments. They are not going to be as difficult as what we did. They'll be easier than this. Yep. Alright. Take care. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.